Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where we bring you the most legendary machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Aston Martin DBX, a luxury SUV that blends brute force with British elegance like no other. This isn't just a family hauler, it's a performance statement from one of the most iconic names in automotive history. Right from the first glance, the 2026 DBX commands attention. Aston Martin has refined its already sleek SUV design, giving it an even more aggressive front fascia with sharper LED headlights, a wider grille, and subtle aerodynamic tweaks. The new forged wheels and updated rear diffuser complete the picture. This is an SUV that looks just as much at home outside a five-star hotel as it is tearing down a mountain pass. Under the hood, the DBX continues to impress. It still uses the twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 sourced from Mercedes-AMG, but for 2026, Aston Martin has bumped the output to a stunning 707 horsepower in the top-trim DBX 707 model. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.1 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. This SUV is faster than many supercars, yet it remains composed, smooth, and refined on the road. Inside, the 2026 DBX has taken a significant leap forward. The infotainment system, which was a weak point in earlier models, now runs on Aston Martin's new bespoke software. With a sleek 12.3-inch digital display and an intuitive interface that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the materials are top-tier. Think hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. Every surface feels premium, and the cabin is as quiet as a luxury sedan even at high speeds. The DBX doesn't just flex its muscles in a straight line. With an adaptive air suspension, active anti-roll control, and rear-wheel steering, it dances through corners far more gracefully than any SUV its size should. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or carving up winding roads, the DBX is precise, balanced, and incredibly responsive. For those who care about practicality, the DBX holds its own there too. You get generous rear legroom, a spacious cargo area, and enough ground clearance for light off-roading. Though let's be honest, most owners won't be taking this thing through the mud. Still, it's nice to know the capability is there. The 2026 DBX isn't just a refresh, it's a bold evolution of Aston Martin's first SUV, a vehicle that had to prove itself in a crowded, competitive field, and it did. Now, with refined technology, even more performance, and unmistakable styling, the DBX feels like a true flagship in the ultra-luxury SUV world. If you're looking for a daily driver with the soul of a grand tourer and the performance of a sports car all wrapped in a practical SUV body, the 2026 Aston Martin DBX is as close as it gets. Thanks for watching Rolling Legends. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dives into the world's most legendary rides. Until next time, keep the wheels turning.